Hello everyone, welcome to QKnow Design. In today's tutorial I show you how to create your own time wrap scanner. This is a pretty simple patch combination, I didn't expect that, and I show you how to create the scan from above down below and from side to side, and also how to add this scan right here. And this is just a basic tutorial. If you have more ideas or more inspirations how you can use the scan effect, please let me know in the comment section down below, so maybe we can create another more interesting filter with this time wrap. But now you just learn the basics, so let's start. Okay, let's start. At first, show the patch editor, of course. We need the patch editor. And then go to your scene, add a rectangle to your scene, and make sure that the screen is filled. And this one is time wrap. Copy this and right here. Perfect. Material is flat. And now go to your device and add the default pipeline to your patch editor. And we need the camera texture. Then you need a shader render pass and a delay frame and also a mixer or a mix patch. Add the camera texture to the mix patch input and also to the delay frame first frame input. Then go and make a receiver from the delay frame. It's right here. Just a little bit smaller maybe. Add it to the second input of your mixer. Add the mixer or connect the mixer with the shader render pass. And now go to your wrap material texture and add the connect the texture with the shader render pass. So this is the basic, and now we need for our alpha, so we really see this freeze frame look by scanning, we need the animation for our alpha channel. So double click and we added with or restarted with a screen tab in this case, and we start an animation. An animation is also is fine. Can we also start a transition directly? Just try this. No, it's not possible. Animation. To this animation we add a transition. This transition we need just 2 vectors, because this transition is the scanner option from left or from side to side or from up to down. So just 2 dimensions, and we start with side to side. So the dimensions or the transition is just in the x, whatever. So the values for our y is 1.0 and 1.0 at the beginning and at the end. Here it's minus 0.5 and 0.5. Then you need a SDF rectangle, also 2 vectors, and the center is fine, so this is the values we start with. And also the half size is also fine. Again, a little bit backwards. Go to and add a step to your patch editor. Connect it, the steps with the SDF with the input edge. And this all together connect with the alpha channel. Now we can test the animation. Go to simulate touch. And yeah, you don't see anything because it's too fast. It's working, but it's too fast. So duration 5, so kind of 5 seconds is fine from side to side. So test it again, and you see the difference. If you like this tutorial so far, please leave a thumbs up. And now you see the animation, but not where the animation is at this moment. So we need another graphic element, a kind of scan line. And for that, we just create a new rectangle and call this scanner. And add a new material to it, also scanner. Shader type flat, color if you want to. I use my signature color for that. And now we need these right here. So boop, boop, boop. Copy this one and create it also another material. We don't need another material. Connect it also with the animation. And now we need to change the values right here. We start by 0.01 and end with 1.01. And the half side is here 0.011. Then go to the material texture and connect the material texture with the transition. Restart just in case and test it again. And now you see, hello, this line. If you want, if it's too, you can also create another line so it's a little bit bigger, but you have to make sure you don't see it more. So it's like that. How you like it, just so you understand how it works. And now I just want to show you, this is from side to side and from up to down or whatever. And you just need to switch the values, the y values and the x values. So in this case, pretty simple, and minus right here. This is the same. And here's just 0.5. So 0.5. Oops. And minus 0.01. 1.01. Okay, and 5 and 0.01. Okay, way too fast, so pretty simple. Just go to the duration and go to 10. And that's it. Yay. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have more ideas for this kind of animation or this kind of effect, please let me know. Maybe we can create another tutorial around this time wrap filter or trend. Trend? Trend. It's German, you say trend. Anyway, leave a subscription if you like this channel and you want to see more tutorials about Spark AR and learn more about Spark AR. And of course, share it with your friends. Leave a comments down below. See you next time. Bye bye.